Hi and welcome to my Level 3 Foot and Ankle Injuries in Dancers course. Unfortunately, foot and ankle injuries are far too prevalent in the dancing community, and even more unfortunately, it's often seen just a part of being a dancer. In the last 25 years, I've worked with thousands of dancers all across the world, and I've realised that there are a few critical things that are often missed when either training dancers or working with dancers in a clinical setting that make a huge difference to the speed of their recovery and the incidence of these injuries happening in the first place. For dance teachers, I hope that this course will give you an idea of the full spectrum of treatment that is required to take a dancer back to performing at their best, along with a lot of screening tests and rehab tools and preventative strategies that you can use within the studio to help prevent these issues from happening in the first place. For therapists, I hope to pass on a lot of the learnings that I've discovered over the last 25 years of working very closely with dancers to fine-tune your assessment techniques, your treatment techniques, your management of their rehab program, the exercise rehab component, and their reintroduction into class to make this as effective and efficient as possible. There is a huge amount of information included in this course. However, we've broken it down into really manageable chunks. We've filmed all of the techniques so that you can review them at any time. And I do hope that you explore understanding the nuances and the magic of rehabilitating a dancer's foot in order to be able to get them back to doing what they love as quickly and easily as possible.